Hello everyone, if you don't want to play Agefield High Rock the School and your game is not opening, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Agefield High not opening on your computer easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your game's platform, which is Steam for me. Now you're going to right click on Agefield High, click Properties, Install Files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files here. And once you're done with that, you're going to close this up and then you're going to open up your Start menu. You're going to write your graphic settings. You're going to click on to add desktop app here. Now go into Agefield High's games folder and then add the launcher of the game in here. Find the launcher in this list. Here it is. Click on GPU preference, set it to high performance then. After that, close this up. Now you're going to open up your games folder again. Here it is. Right click on the game's launcher, click properties, compatibility, disable full screen optimizations and click run this program as an administrator. After that, click apply, OK, and close this up. Now you're going to go ahead and try to play the game and you'll see that your game will now work. You will not face that not opening problems anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I will see you in my next video. Peace.